Hello, I'm Prakash Gunasekaran. I'm from Tamil Nadu and I want to share something. I was recently completed my N plus 45 days course in Evision Technoserve. That is really helpful for my career growth, and a lot of things I learn in N plus. Some basic networks, CCNA, network administration, system administration, and cyber securities, and ITIL also. Yeah, actually, Evision Technoserve provide excellent learning experience for me and good career growth and support, and skill development and a supportive environment. Yeah, this is best for a fresher. Yeah, I suggest to fresher to join a Evision Technoserve, and I recently joined Getronics from Chennai. Thank you.